Hi friends, Saurav here. Welcome back to my channel. In our last tutorial, we have learned about functional based index. Today we are going to learn about B-tree index. What is B-tree index? How we can use this in our table. So all these things we will learn today. So before starting the tutorial and seeing the examples, let me show you the table first. So let's jump to SQL Workshop and see the examples. See the table first. So we have a table called employee. Select start from employee. I'm doing here. So we have a table, employees. So we have this table. Okay, what I'm gonna do, we are gonna create an index on this salary column. Okay, so we'll be creating an index on the salary column, and that how that index will work, I'll explain you, okay, with example, with the diagram. Okay, so let me show you the examples here. As you can see, I have drawn a diagram. This diagram will help you to understand in better way about B-tree index. Okay, so suppose we have a table called employees, and in that employees table we have a column called salary, and we want to search for the salary which is having data as $2500. So we want to search this data in our employees table. So by default, whenever you are creating any column index on any table, so that index is getting called as B-tree index actually. And how B-tree index work, I'll explain you that thing here. Okay, so suppose we have a data, this is the data 2500. We have created an index on this column, the salary column, and we are just getting to know how this B-tree index work actually. Okay, so this is the data 2500. Now the whole data, the complete data is getting divided into two parts. Whenever B-tree index work, the whole data get divided into two parts. First part is like the data which is less than 2500, and the second set of data which is having more than 2500 value. So this is the data, and these are the indexes of the data. Okay, so this is left node and this is right node. So if the data is less than 2500, it get into the left node of this table, of this index. Okay, and if data is more than 2500, it get into right node of this data. Okay, so suppose we have 2400 which is actually less than 2500. So again 2400, it get divided into two parts, less than data and greater than data. So this is greater than or equal to, you can say. Okay, so but we are searching for 2500, so we will be getting on the right side of the actual data. Okay, so here we have 2600. Now again 2600 will get divided into two part, the lower part, the less than part, and the greater than part. So we are actually concerned about the less than part. Actually we are actually concerned about 2500. So we reached to this node, and we'll got to know that this is having three employees salary is equal to 2500. So we will get three different index, or you can say three different addresses of this data actually. So this is how B-tree index work. Hope this diagram is clear to you. Let's jump to our SQL Workshop. So here is the SQL Workshop. What I'm going to do, I'm going to create a index on this salary column of this employee table. Okay, so what we'll do create index, anything you can write here, idx1 I'm saying, or you can say idx underscore 1 on the name of the table. We have the table as employees. Okay, and then our column, whatever the column is, we are taking salary. Okay, so this is how we are going to create the index. Okay, so this index got created. Now again do select start from employees. So you can check the explain plan here. I'll do explain plan. At this time we have not used any index actually. This is complete, this is table scan we are doing. But when we'll write something like this, what we will write here, we'll write where salary is equal to 2500, and then we'll run this query, and we'll explain this plan, explain the execution plan. We'll get to know that we have actually used the index, and the index is idx underscore 1, and this is a thing what we are doing here. access predicates. So this is how we use our index, and this is what B-tree index is, and this is how B-tree index work actually. Okay, hope the concept, examples, diagram, and the B-tree index is clear to you. For any query, any confusion, let me know in the comment box. And yeah, that's it for today. Thanks for watching the tutorial. Thank you very much.